Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be talking about how we are diving into our active reading skills again as we continue researching all the ways in which mass velocity, and collision time affect impact force. So today we're going to be looking at and reviewing how to highlight and annotate text within the doc, and how to use your 3 annotations to dive deeper into the understanding of your reading. So we know that whenever we have a reading that we're going to be adding a doc to our drive, and then we're going to be making annotations as we go. Those annotations are going to include questions we have about the reading, connections between the reading and your background knowledge, what you've experienced, your life, that sort of thing, and difficult words, phrases, or ideas found in the text. So, for example, when we dive into our article here, velocity, mass, and impact force, we have this first little section that says changing the time over which a collision happens isn't the only way engineers can design for impact force. So let's go ahead and show you how we highlight. We click and drag over the entire sentence, word, or phrase that we're looking to make an annotation about. We go up here to the add comment section and we click add comment. It'll highlight that for us, and from there we can add in our different notes. So some examples of our annotations are as follows. A question someone might have about this part of the doc might say something like, what are some different ways engineers can speed up or slow down the collision time of an object? We're looking to ask this question to better understand how the idea of this sentence applies to science and scientists. We can make connections with what this says related to impact force and talk about how we tried slowing down the collision by cushioning an egg with cotton balls, talking specifically about, obviously, our egg drop challenge. And then when reading this, you might come across some challenging words or phrases or ideas that you're not quite sure about. So maybe you are a little unsure about what do they mean by design for impact force. So if you see here, it says, isn't the only way engineers can design for impact force. So what does that phrase mean? What does that idea mean? That might be something that doesn't immediately make sense to you. We might need to know more about. When we're done, we'd hit comment, and you'll see the little comment here. And you can always show more if necessary. So when looking at our doc, we highlight using the comment section. We look to add our 3 types of annotations: questions, connections, and difficult ideas. And we'll do that throughout the entire article from beginning to end. So take a second in your survey. Do you understand how to make your annotations, and do you understand what the 3 annotations are? If both those things make sense, put it in green. If one of those things makes sense, put it in yellow. And if neither of those things make sense, put it in red. Reach out if you have questions, and as always, good luck.